UX questions. Your user experience questions answered in 3 minutes or less.
Kim from Portland, Oregon asks, what is low-fidelity design? I love that question. Thanks for asking, Kim. This is UX question number 58, and I'm Ben Judy. What is low-fidelity design? Well, it's simply using quick and low-tech methods to create UI design artifacts, such as sketches and wireframes. When I worked at Intuit, we would do rapid paper prototyping, literally taking sheets of construction paper and hand-drawing rough UI design ideas with a Sharpie marker. We would draw together in cross-functional teams of designers, developers, product managers, and people in other roles. And we would hand our paper prototypes to real customers and stakeholders and ask them to ideate with us and give us feedback on our rough design ideas. It was a cheap and fast way to get user feedback. It was great for early ideation and saved us a lot of time and effort before we jumped into our hi-fi design tools. Lo-fi design allows you to quickly explore different design concepts together. You don't have to be a trained designer to contribute. Anybody can draw a messy sketch on paper. Lo-fi design artifacts invite people to iterate and generate new ideas. A hand-drawn sketch or grayscale wireframe has the appearance of an early unfinished design. People naturally perceive that the design isn't finished, and it's okay to mark it up and suggest big changes. Another benefit of lo-fi design is separation of concerns. When you show someone a polished, pixel-perfect, high-fidelity design, they will focus on the visual design aspects, shape, color, space, texture. But what if you need them to focus on just the functionality, or the content, or the information architecture? With a sketch or a wireframe, there's no visual design for them to critique. You actually get better feedback on certain aspects of the design. There are many tools. As I said, you can use paper, or whiteboards, or software such as Mural, FigJam, Axure, Miro, or one I like to use, Balsamiq mockups. A number of factors, including the rise of advanced UI design tools and greater adoption of design systems, have led to a decrease in the practice of lo-fi design. This is a trend that seems likely to continue as AI tools to generate hi-fi design become more prevalent. But I say there's something missing when we skip paper prototyping or IA-focused wireframing. I challenge you in your next design project to try several iterations in low fidelity before going pixel perfect, and see if you end up generating design options that you otherwise never would have explored. Keep asking your questions about UX. Next time, I'll answer the question, how can I manage scope creep? Hey, it's Ben Judy. Thanks for listening to another episode of UX Questions. Be sure to check out the website at uxquestions.com. That's where you can ask your question, and I'll put it in the queue to answer in a future episode. There's lots of good stuff at uxquestions.com. You'll find full text transcripts for each episode, along with links to the latest YouTube videos and audio podcasts. There's info about sponsorship opportunities and how to get your personal message inserted into an upcoming episode. There's a news page where I keep you updated on exciting developments in the works for the UX Questions community and upcoming episodes. If you found me on YouTube or Instagram or in your podcast player, but you haven't yet been to the website, visit uxquestions.com and keep asking your questions about UX.